Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Negestyle. Today's video is just a design proposal, design idea for your African print. Let's say you have an African print, an event coming up, and let's say the organizer have a fabric for everybody to use for the wedding or the ceremony. This is a design idea for you. This design is simple and not so much complication, and I use satin duchesse, as I would call it, satin, for the neckline and for the waistline. But at the waistline I added some sheen kind of lacy fabric on top. As you can see, it got glitters. I put it on top of the satin and I put interfacing to give it that shape to stand up a little bit. Some people go more by adding some tulle at the end, at the edge of the sewing, but I didn't do that because I didn't want it to be too wow. I wanted it to be simple and still keep that shape. One thing I like about the style is like some women feel uncomfortable because they don't like the shape of their stomach. They think they have a little bump. But when you put that extra piece, that extra flaring piece on top of the waistline, it helps you hide your stomach. It helps you hide the shape of your stomach if you feel like uncomfortable with the size of your stomach. When you put the flared at the waistline, at the top of waistline, don't put it right down by your navel. It should be like under your breast, up at the waistline. So that's some ideas. And the neckline, I put a zipper in the back, and you see how I have the neckline was cut in a circle, like in a circle form, and a stitch and turn over and attach to the neck with a facing inside the neckline. So I hope this design inspire you. You could just show it to your designer or to your tailor to copy it, or you could contact me if you want the same thing or something similar. I'm going to try my best to share more designs, more of my creation on my page. That's why we were working on that wall over there. So this is the first one. Hopefully we continue with the trend of showing designs, inspirational design that can help some people, because it could be a headache to look for a design for an event, especially when you don't have enough time. So that's when the designer come in to inspire you, to help you, to direct you and propose stuff to you. So that's my proposal for you. How you like it? Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you inspire somebody. I didn't show you the bottom of the dress because the mannequin has no leg. It look weird. It's like a mermaid shape. It holds at the knees and up and then flares up at the bottom. You can make it straight or however you want it to be. But this style was just like that. It looks perfect when somebody wears it. So, thank you.